Hello guys, today we are reviewing the Land Rover Range Rover Velar P250 SE. It's a really good looking car. If you see, it's a really good looking car. If you compare with the Evoque, I don't think Evoque stands nearby. And it is a proper SUV. Of course, you can't compare it with the Range Rover Sport. The Range Rover Sport is a really big car. But this car actually is pretty cool because it actually does the job of an SUV and it's not so huge and it's really easy to drive. It comes with automated handles as well. Once you unlock the car, it pops out. You have the engine opening on the left side. The engine comes with 2-liter engine with 4 cylinders, which is throwing out 246 horsepower and 365 Nm of torque. Gets hydraulic struts, easy to lift. The engine looks really dirty. It's actually not the fault of the car, it's just not clean. But yeah, it looks a little dirty only. The car comes with really aggressive looking lights. Comes with Range Rover batching and also the Land Rover batching here. The alloy wheels are 21 inches and they look really nice. The tire size is 265/45/21 and the rear tire size is also the same. The suspension is actually pretty soft for this car, which I really like. I enjoy soft suspensions. It's just that the soft suspension will also give you a lot of body roll. So a lot of people don't enjoy it, but yeah, that's my personal opinion towards it. You also get the camera washer. That looks quite nice. You've got dual exhaust pipes. Get electronic boot. Plenty of space. Amazing for a road trip. Easily 4 to 5 people can easily travel in this car. You've got plenty of space to sit in, really comfortable interiors. You've got soft touch material everywhere, which makes the car feels really luxurious and expensive. You've got really good legroom, pretty decent thigh support as well. The interior looks really nice. You've got dual screen and you've also got the digital instrumental cluster. You've got Meridian sound system. The speakers are really nice actually. You've got rear AC vents. The car is actually not coming with any ambient lighting for some reason, which makes it a little dull in the nighttime. So we're gonna do some test runs. We're gonna do 0 to 100 in different modes, see how quick this car goes, how it drives. Here are some. That's how it, honestly. Let me turn off the aircon. This screen, if you're literally driving it for the first time, it's really confusing. And the responsiveness is also not the best for both the screens. But you have got this one function where you can actually adjust the tilt of the screen angle. It looks really fancy. So whenever the sun is hitting the screen, you can actually just adjust it according to you and just make yourself feel comfortable with it. That's how the cluster looks like. You can actually play around a little bit with the cluster as well, how it should be looking. You can make it 2 dial, 1 dial, plus you've also got the full map view. We've also got a really huge panoramic sunroof, which brings in a lot of light, and actually it opens up quite wide as well. Yeah. Oh no, it doesn't open till it just opens this much. But yeah, it makes you feel nice. So we have got drive mode and sports mode in it. So we're going to do a test run in drive mode, sports mode, plus we've got paddle shift still, so we're going to play around with some gears. Let's see how it goes. And also, I'm sure people who are aware of Jaguar and all these brands, that's how the gear knob goes in when you turn off the car, and once you turn it on, it comes back up. Fancy, right? I don't know, but is it like, a lot of people are not a big fan of these kind of gear knobs. It just seems a little, I don't know what, some techie freak. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Let me put it back to a normal 2-dial display, which I prefer. Let's see how it goes.